Question 3, we're looking for syntax errors, that is errors at build time. I'm supposed to circle the line number and then provide a corrected version. Import looks fine. The public class exam1 also looks fine. Public static void main, that all looks fine. String message seems fine. Int x, fine. Int hour, comma minute, that's also fine. Scanner keyboard, new scanner system in. That all looks fine to me. Okay, so line 11, message equals 1, 2, 3. Now what I'm looking for is every time I see an equal sign, I'm just going to make sure that the type on the right-hand side matches the type on the left-hand side. This is a string, so is message, that seems fine. Next one, I can see that kbd.nextDouble is the scanner, so the scanner.nextDouble method returns a double. So the right-hand side's a double, left-hand side is a string, that is trouble. The best way to fix that, just say keyboard.next instead of nextDouble. Keyboard.next gets you a string from the input. This by itself looks fine, and this by itself looks fine, but if we take a look up here, you'll see that I declared them already. Int, hour, and minute were already declared, so I can't, these are two errors, I can't do that. I have to refer to them just as the names. These values look like fine values. Double y, well I haven't used y yet, so that's totally legit, and it looks like this is actually a decimal over here and that's a decimal over there, so that will work. Int balance. The name is not conventional, it should be lowercase, but that won't cause a build error. The problem in this case, this is an error, is that there is a double value over here and an int over here, so you'll get that conversion error that says that that you're losing precision. So what could you do? You could take off the 0.45, just cross it out, or you could cast this to an int. That would also be fine. Different ways to fix this. I guess you could also make balance a double rather than an int. So that would all these methods might make this this line then correct. This one is a case problem. It has to be lowercase in order to match these declarations up here. Minute plus 1 seems fine. Let's see, minute is an int, plus 1 is an int, this whole thing is an int, and hour is an int, so that seems fine. Trouble here on line 22. Oh, so this was an error too. Trouble here on line 22. This is fine on the right-hand side, hour is an int, okay. On the left-hand side, I can't modify this, so equal sign is always modifying the thing on the left, and minute plus 1 is just a number. It's like saying 6 equals hour or something. I can't do that. So what would I do instead? I mean, I could take out the plus 1. That'd be one way to do it. It's possible that I just reverse these two things, in which case I could write the reverse version, hour equals minute plus 1, similar to the line above it. I don't see anything wrong with this println statement. So even though it says 8 errors, I've only found 6. Well, let me know if you find more errors than I did.